Hi everyone, just waiting for people to join in. Hello. I can see people joining in. Great. Hi, hello everyone. Hi Ali. Yeah, I can see all of your comments also. Hi. Okay, so I'll begin with the live. I am Mehak. Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining in. I am the Plum Beauty expert and I will be taking you through a winter skincare regime. First off, I'll thank Lifestyle for organizing this, for letting me host the masterclass. And also, I request everybody to just ask any questions you have in the comments below, and I'll be answering them in this session. Yeah. So let me take you through about what this session is going to cover vastly. We're going to cover about how to know what your skin type is. We're going to cover some regimes for those skin types. And after that, we will talk about some hacks which I have used for my skin. Let's begin with this. Also, all of the products that I'm going to talk about are available on lifestylestores.com at flat 20% off. So don't leave just yet. After this live, just go and buy all of these. Let's dive into the skin types. First off, this is a question which has been asked of me a lot of times as to how to know what my skin type is. And it's pretty simple actually, but it's just that lack of knowledge. So let me tell you, you wash your face and wait for 30 minutes and then you see how your skin is responding. Yeah. So like I have washed my face and there is some bit of greasiness on my T-zone. So this is called a T-zone and my cheeks are pretty dry. Yeah. So this is a combination dry skin. If after washing the face and in 30 minutes all of your face is greasy and sticky, then you have an oily skin type. And if you are dry, there is a little bit of stretch when you pull your cheeks, then obviously you have a dry skin. And everybody who has a normal skin, kudos, like I envy you. So now that we have covered what the skin types are, please ask any question you have related to your skin type. One thing which I would say that yes, your skin type changes according to your region. So if I'm in Mumbai, my skin type will be different to say if I am in North. So those changes are there. So just account for that and change your skincare routine according to it. Don't keep one routine for a copy paste routine for everywhere that you are. I'm also keeping track of any questions that you're asking. So please just ask away. Now let's begin with some of the routines. Okay. So firstly, I'll be talking about this Illuminance supple cleansing balm. It is a magic balm, let me tell you. So I recently got married, as you can see, and I use this balm extensively for when you've been in a function, you're caked with makeup, you don't want to come back and scrub your skin off. This balm just melts away your makeup like magic. So if you can see, this is the texture of the balm. Yeah, and it just melts away your makeup in an instant. So there's a so this is like actually a magic ingredient, and especially in the wedding season, even if it's a Zoom wedding, you put on your makeup and you wash it away with this magic balm. So this balm again is available on all lifestyle stores at 20% off, so you can buy from there. Now let's come to this. So this again is something I personally love using. I will show you the bottle. So it is plum, grapeseed and sea buckthorn face oil. So let me just take you through what this looks like. I hope you can see the texture and the consistency of the oil through the dropper. Yeah, so this is a magic oil. Like it has some 8-9 oils like rosehip, argan, jojoba. Like it is a magic elixir, honestly. And I used it obviously to moisture hydrate your skin. But another hack that I have is you can use this oil for a dewy makeup look. Yeah, so if you just let me just show you the texture also. So if I Yeah, if you can see, I've dropped a bit of an oil, and yeah, look how shiny. And yeah, so and if you want like just a simple glowy look for your Zoom wedding or Zoom haldi, you can just put this oil and apply makeup over it. That's it, that's all that you need. So this is another one of my favorites. I would absolutely recommend this to everybody. And also, yes, is there anybody has any question about your skin type? Suggest any suggestions you need? Okay, no questions as of now. Great. So now we move on to, okay, first let me come to oily skin. Yeah, so in winters, if you have an oily skin, people generally say that you don't need to do anything. That's actually not true, because even oily skin needs a regime. You need some active, some power ingredients to keep your skin that moist, supple self that it is. So the first thing for I would suggest is a green tea skin clarifying serum. Again, so I will show you the texture of this serum also. Can you see the, yeah, and that's how it is. So as a part of your nighttime or day routine or whatever, you can just put this serum on, apply a sunscreen over it, and just walk out. That's it, because this serum has plant. So a lot of people ask that why are serums important. So serums are generally important because they give you a boost. You know how they say there are power ingredients for your body. So we have power ingredients for your skin also, which is what serums do. A lot of people are asking what to do for under eyes. So we have a bright tears range and we have an under eye gel for that. So you should definitely try it. Yes, do you have something for dark circles? We do. We have a bright tears range for dark circles also. Please check out lifestyle stores, and they also have the stock for it. Great. Moving on. Now I take you through a toner. Now again the question that is with serums is with toners also, that why do we need a toner in our regime? So honestly, toners, two main reasons why you need a toner. Firstly, it just cleanses your skin better. So after a face wash, just apply a toner. Secondly, it also closes your pores. So if somebody is dealing with a lot of open pores, toners are the best thing that you can do for your skin. Over here, I have a chamomile and white tea toner. I hope you can see the product. Yeah, and I will now show you. So this is my sampling hand. Yeah, okay, it's dripped, but so what a toner essentially does, if you can see, there's a little bit of shine, and it's very quick absorption. So it's just absorbed into my skin. What a toner does is it just refreshes your skin a lot. Yeah. So after washing your face, just apply this alcohol. So always pick up an alcohol-free toner. There are a lot of toners which have alcohol in them. Please just refrain from using those. Okay. All plum toners are alcohol-free. So use this toner. Yes, it is a good toner, stylish. Tripti is asking me. So you use this toner and you just have that glow. One tip or a hack, now that I have taken you through what kind of skin types are there and what are the regimes that you can follow, let me take you through some tips also. Yeah. So one tip for a toner specifically. So you know how after we've had a long night, or we have had a very dry, a dry day, or maybe some day when it's been a Zoom wedding and we've slept very late at night, and the morning we wake up with puffy skin. Just put this in the fridge for 15 minutes and just spritz all over your face, or just put it on like the chilled toner, just dab it onto your face, and you will be refreshed. Like, it's immensely refreshing. That's exactly what I did when for my wedding I had to sleep late and wake up 10 for the haldi function. So this toner was something which helped me. Yeah, so that is one hack. Another hack I have is for this Plum E-Luminance Supple Cleansing Balm. The hack for this is, instead of using a face wash in winters, which sometimes people with extremely dry skin feel that it's too drying, what you can do is you can just take this balm in your palms, rub it a little and put it all over your face. Take some lukewarm water and wash your face with that. What that will help is it will keep the moisture of your skin intact. You will actually feel really, your skin will thank you for it because it will be that moisturizing. And yes, there's a scooper, but I just like to use it with my fingers. So yeah, you can see whatever works for you. These were the two hacks I had for the over and above the rigid that we had. Now another thing, this grapeseed and sea buckthorn oil, you can also, I have already told you, you can use it for a dewy makeup look, but you can also use it at night. Yeah, so if again you are somebody who wants an extra moisturizing abilities in your skin, then just put it overnight, massage it gently so that the oil gets absorbed in your skin, and that's it, you are good to go. Okay, now I'm opening the forum for questions. Everybody show the product properly. Okay, which product do you want me to show? I'll do that. Hacks for oily skin. So first hack is the Plum Green Tea range. You can use this serum which I'm showing you. This, again, I'll show the product properly. Yeah, so you can use this serum in your routine. Also, we have the Plum Green Tea range products which have a mask, a night gel, a toner, a face wash, a scrub. So whatever is your routine, which essentially, if you want me to discuss a little about routines also, we have a cleanser, toner and a moisturizer routine. Over and above that, all of these products that I've just shown you enhance your skin like nothing else. Yeah, so you incorporate into your routine every day and you just start feeling the difference. Great. Okay, any other questions? Hacks for sensitive and dry skin. So this balm that I just showed you, Stylish Tripti, is going to be a savior for you, for especially if you have sensitive and dry skin. This is immensely hydrating. So you can use it as a face wash. You can use it, like I told you, with a little bit of lukewarm water. You can use it as a makeup remover. So instead of using alcohol-based makeup removers, use this balm. Yeah, and it'll just melt away your makeup and it will not be harsh on your skin. Yeah, it will leave you very moisturized, very supple skin. Okay, how to reduce pimples. So we also have an acne range, again the green tea range, and we recommend that for anybody who has a lot of breakouts or pimples. So you can use our green tea range for that. What else? Lip care. Okay, so we have lip balms also, Candy Melts lip balms, which you can definitely try for your lip care needs. Is Plum a cruelty-free brand? Yes, Plum is a cruelty-free brand. We are 100% vegan. We are cruelty-free. We give 1% for the planet of all the proceeds that we have. We have no sulfates, no parabens. So, you know, we take the name Plum Goodness too literally and true to our hearts. So we are good in every way possible. So yes. Anything else you guys want to know? Okay, what to put after? Okay, anything for anti-aging. So, okay, we have an age specialist range which is called the Bright Years range. So please check it out on lifestyle stores. You can just see what products we have. Overnight serum, we have a cream, we have under eye gel. So whatever it is that you think would work for your routine, just try using that. What else? Are these products suitable for 19-year-olds? Yes, these products, as I said, these are cruelty-free products. These are clean products. We use all ingredients which are completely safe. So yes, they are suitable for all skin types. Okay, I'm getting a lot of questions for pimples. So guys, reiterating again. pimple for pimples, we have this green tea range. I am just showing a serum right now again, but you can also buy, we have a host of products in this range. We have a green tea night gel, we have a green tea face mask, a mist, a scrubber, spotlight, spot gel also, which just targets pimples. So you can just go on the website and check what you want. Again, another product for winters which I would recommend is this grapeseed oil. So yes, any other questions you have, or I should go on about a couple of other hacks which I have? Plum lip balms, yes, we have plum lip balms also. Okay, people are asking me to go slow. Okay, I'll go slow. What do you want me to talk about? Tell me that. How to reduce darkness on face. Okay, so we have this chamomile white tea range and we have a glow getter mask also in it. You can try that. Is green tea range just for pimples? No, it's not just for pimples. It's essentially for oily skin. People who have asked that question, I'm recommending that range to you. Yeah. Okay, so let me talk about some other hacks also, which I have talked about in, wait, am I missing some questions? Okay. Okay, so you guys, okay, got it. ओके सो इफ़ यू हैव, अगर आपको ऑयली स्किन के लिए कोई रिकमेंडेशन चाहिए या प्रोडक्ट चाहिए, देन ग्रीन टी रेंज इज़ द बेस्ट फॉर यू. इफ़ यू हैव ड्राई स्किन, अगर आपकी स्किन थोड़ी ड्राई है, go for the e-luminance range. And for open pores, I suggested Sia that you use toners. Whatever skin type you have, use a toner for that. It will close your pores. Yeah, so just wash your face and after that use a toner. Another anything? Okay, great. So I think I'm covering all of the questions. For normal skin type, yes, that's a very good question. So our chamomile range is also for normal skin type. Yeah, so you can just go explore, just understand what your skin is. If you want, you can just try the chamomile range and it will really help you. For normal skin type also, the chamomile range works the best. Okay, another lot of questions for dark circles. Yes, we have the Age Specialist Bright Tears range. We have a under eye gel for dark circles for that. Please go and try that. For everybody who's asking me what to do for under eyes and dark circles. Yeah. Yes, Pratyusha, for dark circles. Okay, I have pimples, whiteheads on my nose. Please help me. Okay, so for whiteheads and pimples, I suggest, so for pimples, go for the green tea range, but for blackheads, especially scrub. Yeah, so we have scrubs according to what your skin type is. Once you have identified आपका skin type क्या है, just use a scrub routine. Yeah, and it will help you reduce those blackheads and whiteheads and everything. So I think that is something which is going to really help you. Anything else you guys want to ask? So this is actually, okay. Yeah, so this actually is a masterclass, but I wanted to have a quick chat session so that I answer all of your questions. Can we use oil on our face? So yes, Kanika, we have this grapeseed oil which is essentially and specially used for face. But if you have a combination to dry skin, this is more suitable for you. So yes, suggest toner for oily skin. Again, we have a green tea range toner and it works wonders for oily skin. All you have to do is wash your face, tone, and that's it. You can also use it as a nighttime routine. So yes. Okay. Can you suggest which scrub did you use? Okay, so I am not going to tell you to use an XYZ scrub because we have scrubs in green tea range, in grapeseed and buckthorn range, in cedar, chamomile white tea. So whatever is your skin type, find that, understand what your skin type is. If you have any questions about how to understand your skin type, please tell me that too. I will help you understand. So like I said, अगर आपका skin खींचने पे थोड़ा dry लग रहा है, you are somebody who is facing dryness issues. So go for the Illuminance range. If you feel that your skin is pretty oily, grease आता है आपके skin पे, use for the green tea range. And use the scrubs of the same range. Yeah, don't mix ranges. That's generally not suggested. Great. Anything else? Okay, again for dry skin I have suggested Illuminance range, that is it. For oily skin, green tea range Ashish would be the best for you. Anything to apply after taking steam regularly, I think you should put a toner to cleanse those pores, to close those pores actually, because once you take a steam all your pores open up. Yeah, so just apply a toner and just let your skin relax. Don't put a lot of products after that. Yes. Any other questions? Okay, I am 16 years old, I am facing pimples. Okay, so I suggest that it's a little bit of hormonal imbalance also that's happening at this and that age. So rather than products, just focus on your diet. But if you want a product, go for the green tea spotlight gel. It'll really help reduce those pimple marks. Yeah. Should I use SPF 30 in winters? Yes. So this is one question. I am glad, Hemant, that you asked that question. A lot of times we think that we don't need to use SPFs in winter. Please, you really do need that sunscreen in winters also. So just wash your face, put say maybe a serum, and do put a sunscreen, because your sun damage is very much prevalent in winters also. Yeah. Okay. Suggest good company toner. Plum toner is the best toner. Whatever your skin type is, just go ahead with a plum toner. Yes. Okay, can we use under eye gel if we have to apply makeup after that? So I suggest you use under eye gel after your day is over. Like before sleeping, just apply the under eye gel and go off to sleep. Let it. So serums, the thing with serums and oils and gels is they need time for your skin to be absorbed in your skin. Yeah, so just apply the under eye gel and go off to sleep and just see the magic in couple of weeks. Yes. Okay, best moisturizer for combination and sensitive skin. So see, for sensitive skin we also have the Hello Aloe range, which would be perfect for people who have extremely sensitive skin. But if you have a combination kind of a skin, then I think chamomile is something that you can definitely go ahead with. Which sunscreen is best suitable for dry skin? Okay, so if you are somebody who has dry skin, you can go for the chamomile sunscreen that we have. We also have sunscreen. So just once you've understood your skin type, guys, we have a host range of products. So just explore a little on the website and I think that will help you. Yeah. Okay, what can we do? Okay, great. So I think any hair care products? Yes, we do have a hair care range of Olive and Macadamia. I'm glad you asked that question. So our Olive and Macadamia range is specifically for dry, dull and damaged hair. So if you're looking for hair care products, we have a hair mask, conditioner and a shampoo. So just shop. Also mentioning it again for people who have just joined, we are offering Lifestyle Stores are offering 20% off across on all Plum products on their website lifestylestores.com. So don't leave just yet, but after this live ends, please go and shop for their products also. Yeah. Okay, anything else you guys want to know? Which scrub is best for skin? Again, reiterating it, depends on your skin type. Okay, oily skin but looking dull for a few days, please try this serum for the person who's saying that your skin is looking dull for a couple of days, serums have actives, let them absorb, sit on your skin, and I'm sure it will work wonders for you. Okay, great. Okay, great. So I think this was a helpful session. I hope this helped you all with understanding what your skin type is, understanding, suggest good face cream for dry skin. Well, okay, so we have a deep moisturizing cream in the E-Luminance range. I suggest you go ahead with buying that for especially for dry skin. You should definitely look forward to that. Okay, great. So yes, I think that this was a good session. Is it anything? I answered all of your questions. I hope now you are a little clear on how to identify what your skin type is. You know what kind of regime it is that you should be following. I showed you like a host of products also that you can use, and I gave some of my hacks. So I hope this was helpful and useful session for all of you. And thank you so much for listening to me, for hearing me out. And great, just place your order on Lifestyle Stores. Flat 20% off, guys, just so that you don't forget. Yeah.